Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keeps crashing in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After close all the background apps, then open setting. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. And here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all the data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.